This is Mama in her home. If it's your first time stopping by, I just wanted to officially open this vlog here. It's Friday. I need to unplait my hair because wow, I'm still rocking the December hairstyle and now it's very bad. It is complaining. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll probably do cornrows, guys. I haven't been well. I haven't been okay. If you do remember, or if you do follow me on Instagram, I took a short break to figure it out, but now I'm good. I'm back. Thank you so much, guys, for continuing to stay with me even though I've been away for a few days. I really appreciate it. I won't be long because I'm at the office, and another thing, I've been busy with work, so that's one of the reasons why I couldn't vlog today. I'll probably go to church. There's a prayer at church, so I'll probably go at church today. Yes, guys, hopefully I'll see you there. I'm planning on doing vlogs and my videos that keep me going. You know, you're organizing, sort of cleaning during the my homemaking videos. I'm thinking of doing 2 videos a week. Oh God, I hope I'll manage. I pray to God that I'll manage, but with your support, guys, I know I'll manage. Yeah, please do comment, guys, and give me an advice on what you think regarding that, your suggestions. Thank you guys so much. My hair is so bad. I'll see you guys later. So already have started with my doing my hair. It's so bad. It shows that it has been a couple of weeks since I've had this braid. I don't know if you can hear the background. I'm making popcorn for the girls before I go to the prayer, and then I'll bath them as well before I go, and then I'll bath when I come back. Yes, guys, I'll just bath and then sleep because I'm tired, and I'll be back at 8. The prayer started 6, 2 hours. Yeah, I'll be back at 8. So I hope I'll see you tomorrow. I'm snacking on bad things. I'm snacking on bad things. I'm having these 1 grams, and this is like it's nobody's business because I need the sugar. I'm tired. I need the sugar. So guys, I decided to just take a short break and read this book by Ujowi Dlamini. It's a very great book for someone who's a parent. I'll link her details in description box below. Get the book, guys, especially if you're a parent. It is an amazing book. Hi guys, welcome back. It's another day on this vlog that I'm doing in our home. I'm back again on day number 2. Yesterday was Friday, today is Saturday, and guys, I'm preparing our biryani. I'm cooking biryani, so I'll just quickly show you the ingredients before I go any further, guys. Even though I've already opened this vlog, you guys have been amazing. You've been keeping me going, even when I was not feeling okay, but I'm good now. But you guys kept on, watching my videos, continuing commenting, even on my Instagram, the DMs. You guys have been amazing. please do know that I'm not doing this because I'm bored. I'm doing this because it keeps me going. It keeps me my life. It maintains my life. It always makes my life at easy and be at peace sometimes, because we're dealing with a lot. So as humans in general, we're dealing with a lot. So these kind of videos keep me going. They are the ones that are motivating me. All these motherhood, homemaking videos, and worship. I listen to Free to Worship. I'm always emphasizing that I listen to Free to Worship quite a lot by Umpomi no Brandon, and also Mam Rudy Pindile Mazindo. She's amazing. In her latest video, she was sharing something about faith. Please guys, do watch that video. It will motivate you, it will lift your spirit. She's amazing. So guys, let me not go any further with that. Let me just show you the ingredients quickly. Just a quick update, guys. Do you remember I showed you these what containers of broccoli, this ones with this design that I was packing my spices with, that I used to pack my spices? So recently I bought these ones. If you can see, they are not the same. This one has a design, this side, the other one doesn't have a design. I recently added these ones, of which I love the most compared to the other ones, but it's still so organized, so that's not a big deal as well. So I have my paprika, I have my Briyan spice, this is turmeric, and is this the same spice? I'll check. It's not the same spice. Now I forgot. Bengzenzo mastermind not naming these things. Now I have forgotten. A paprika, and then I have Briyan paste. I have garlic ginger paste, and then I have lentils for the rice. With Briyan, guys, you can choose what to use. You can choose the meat or the protein that you want to add. So with mine, I chose chicken. I'm going to use chicken. Some people prefer it with beef. It's also nice with beef, but I'm using chicken because it's what I have now. And just these vegetables. So guys, let's cook.
Something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you, it's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same, babe.
So guys, what I've done so far, I've just I think I've over poured a turmeric, so that is why it's so yellow. But because it's biryani, either way, I'm not worried about that. Let me just minimize the heat. And the lentils, then I've put boiled water to speed up the process. And then now I'm frying my peppers. It's red peppers, green pepper, yellow onions. Now I'm going to put my Briyan paste. I'm not good with measurements when I'm cooking, so please be mindful about that. I'll just put maybe a tablespoon of these because it's Briyan paste and I'm making Briyan. But the main aim is for me not to make it too hot, so that these girls will enjoy as well. You know, have garlic, And then these Briyan, I know these are Briyan spices, and I'm normally, oh, this is Raja, by the way. Now I've remembered with Raja, I don't mind putting much, but not too much, because it's mild flavor. It doesn't have that spiciness like your paprika, which is why I'm not putting too much. I'm just going to put a little bit, and this is the actual Briyan spice, this light one. This spicy smells so good though. What do we have there? And those mother-in-law's spices. I don't want to put too much. I don't like spicy food too, but I like to put sauce in my meat when I'm eating alone, but I don't like too much spices on the food. Then guys, I'll wait for my peppers to brown, and then I'll add the meat and the carrots.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring, ring, my phone again. It's you, it's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out.
So guys, my way of cooking biryani, I normally boil the rice separately, and then I make a stew also separately, using the ingredient that I've shown you, and then I split the stew on different containers, because this one is on this one I've split it already, and on the pot there is another one also, so that the rice doesn't go overwhelmed. I just want everything to be balanced with my biryani, so that is what I'm basically doing right now. And then so guys, my dish simply looks like this. It's just simple chicken biryani. I don't know what you guys think. It's not too spicy as it looks. So abantwana bam, they're doing what they do best, ukwenza imess. I'll just have my tea and then continue with my laundry. Eh?
Come on, children.
Akanazandla loyo zilo baby wakho. Mumbi ke loyo nana. Inwele zakhe mise saloni ma. Mcawoshe.
Come here. I'm your teacher.
Benzani bayafunda? Iclass leli?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Don't push your phones. Do you know what's this?
They don't know. You are the teacher. You are the one supposed to teach them. I decided to just have my tea, guys. Take a short break before I continue with my ironing. Don't forget to like and comment if you're still enjoying the vlog so far. Thank you guys so much. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same. You feel the same.
Another day for church. We are going to church and we are very late. Just wanted to show you and end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much. If you have made it this far, please comment, share, and also subscribe. What do you want to see?
I want to see. Hi. Hi.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Nyap. Nyap. Where are you going?
Something.
Yeah,
Say something.
Yes, so praise the Lord. So
Ik
thank the
kom in
Lord.
die huis in and now I can see.
Susu bako pe.
No.
Susu bako. Bye guys. I know I said I'm going to end the vlog on that part where we were going to church, but on Sundays and Saturday the girls normally go out for ice cream dates or donut dates. So today it was a donut date, but then when we go to the mall we saw these things, these playing areas that were there. We decided they wanted them, and then yeah, even though we didn't budget for them, but we decided to give it a shot. And then they played, they enjoyed, they painted faces. It was nice for them at least, and then they had their donuts. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Now I'm really ending the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Your support means a lot to me. You've been amazing. I don't know what to say, guys. Thank you so much.